Hello, everybody. This is an update to our plugin that allows you to sell your own plugins and license them and let you send updates to people that have bought your plugin. So we've made a major update. So I need to show you how to prep your plugins that you're going to sell for the future. So once you've installed the MadHat plugin licensing on your website, you're able to start selling other plugins. And to do that, you need to prep the plugins. And over here on my left side, this is a plugin that we're going to sell, okay, just for an example here. And we're going to prep it with our prep kit, okay? So first things first, you're going to go into your prep, probably open your documentation, okay, and start with step number 4. And kind of walk you through and give you the codes that you're going to need to copy and paste, which is this code here and this code here, and then we'll make a small edit and a small edit here, okay? So that's explained in 4.7 and 4.8, but this is fairly simple. What you're going to do is first go to your plugin that you want to sell and open the main file, okay? And once you've opened the main file, you're going to find this little phrase here. So do a Control F and find this phrase, and here it is. And right after this first open, you're going to paste the first bit of code that we gave you, which is right here. Okay, just copy it and paste it in here. And you can make it look nice if you want by putting some spaces there, okay? Take out some of these lines, okay? And then you're gonna go all the way to the bottom and you're going to put in the second part of the code, which is right here. This whole thing. Copy. Control V. And this will allow your plugin to update. Okay. So this is what we just pasted, right? And then what you need to do is create a unique name. See where it says make this a unique name? Make sure you name this something that won't conflict with any other plugin. So if your plugin is called MadHat Elementor Woo Add to Cart Pop-Up, make this something very unique. Let's call it MadHat MadHat Media underscore Elementor underscore Woo underscore pop underscore trigger. Okay, and this is most likely never going to be used in any other plugin ever in the world. Okay, so you just copy that, put that right down here as well. Okay, and file, save. Okay, so now this plugin the main file has been prepped and ready to go. There's just one more step here that you need to do. Inside the prep kit, you're going to open the prep kit and you're going to copy all of these in the directory and everything. And right here in the main root folder of your plugin, paste them. Okay, and that's it. Plugin's prepped, it's ready to go. And oh, I'm sorry, there is one more thing you need to do. Once you've pasted this in here, go to plugin config, okay, and you're going to edit this file. You're going to put your domain here, HTTPS, semicolon // and then your domain. So in our case, it would be madhatmedia.net, and we have HTTPS and your product ID number. And what this is whenever you created your product to sell on WooCommerce, there was a product ID number that was created. Okay, so this product ID number is what you want to put right here in this spot for this particular plugin that you're selling. Okay, so the product ID number needs to be your product ID that you're selling through WooCommerce, and that's the only thing you need to edit is these two things right here. So again, this is your product ID number, right? 2884. Then we would change this number here to be 2884. Okay, and once you've done that, file, save. Okay, go back to your plugin files. Now this is your plugin with the activations codes and the update codes and everything in there. So you would just take one step back, zip this up, okay, and load this into your WooCommerce, okay, which in our case, we're just going to hop into here. And once this loads, add your product. This is our main licensing, so add your file here. Go to your plugin versioning, and you can change your plugin versioning. So anytime you change this here, it'll send an update to everybody that's bought your plugin. It'll automatically allow them to update direct through the WooCommerce. I'm sorry, through the WordPress standard updating system. So that is the new version of our simple plugin for licensing for WooCommerce. We try to make this as simple as possible so you can start selling your plugins quickly and easily. If you have any questions, just please put your comments in the form below or just message us direct.